Thyme, Thymus vulgaris, is a small perennial herb known for its aromatic properties and rich medicinal history. It belongs to the mint family, Lamiaceae, and has been used for centuries in cooking, medicine, and even in sacred rituals. Its potent essential oil, rich in thymol, makes it a valuable plant for treating a wide range of health conditions, from respiratory issues to skin infections. With a reputation for both culinary and medicinal uses, thyme remains a staple in herbal medicine. Growth, habitat, and identification. Thyme is a hardy herb that thrives in Mediterranean climates, though it can be cultivated in various temperate regions around the world. It prefers well-drained soil and full sunlight, growing well in gardens, rockeries, and containers. The plant typically reaches a height of 6 to 12 inches and has woody stems with small, gray-green, elliptical leaves that emit a strong aroma when crushed. In the summer, thyme produces clusters of tiny tubular pink or purple flowers, which are highly attractive to bees and other pollinators. To identify thyme, look for its characteristic small, fragrant leaves, which are oval in shape and have a slightly fuzzy texture. The stems are woody and can become more pronounced as the plant matures. Thyme is relatively easy to grow and is a popular herb for both culinary and medicinal purposes. Edible uses and parts. Thyme is widely used as a culinary herb, valued for its savory, earthy flavor that enhances a variety of dishes, including soups, stews, meats, and vegetables. The leaves and flowers are the edible parts of the plant, and they can be used fresh or dried. Fresh thyme is often added to dishes towards the end of cooking to preserve its flavor, while dried thyme can be incorporated earlier in the cooking process. Thyme also plays a role in preserving food due to its antimicrobial properties, which help inhibit the growth of bacteria and fungi. This makes it an excellent addition to homemade food preservation recipes, such as marinades and infused oils. Medicinal parts and uses. Thyme is a versatile medicinal herb, with applications that range from treating respiratory conditions to addressing skin ailments. The primary medicinal parts of thyme are its leaves and flowers, which contain a high concentration of volatile oils, including thymol, carvacrol, and other phenolic compounds. These compounds are responsible for thyme's potent antimicrobial, antispasmodic, and anti-inflammatory effects, sore throats, coughs, and bronchitis. Thyme is an excellent remedy for sore throats, coughs, and bronchitis. Its antitussive, cough-suppressing, and expectorant properties help to clear mucus from the respiratory tract, making it easier to breathe. It also soothes inflammation in the throat, providing relief from the irritation that often accompanies a persistent cough. A thyme tea or gargle made from the dried leaves can be particularly effective for these ailments: mouthwash, dental cavities, and gum disease. The antiseptic and antimicrobial properties of thyme make it an ideal ingredient for homemade mouthwashes. Thymol, one of the primary compounds in thyme, is commonly used in commercial mouthwash products due to its ability to kill bacteria and prevent infections. A thyme infusion can be used as a mouth rinse to prevent dental cavities, treat gum disease, and maintain overall oral health. Acne and skin. Inflammation. Thyme's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it a useful treatment for acne and other skin conditions. A thyme infusion can be applied topically to reduce inflammation, kill bacteria on the skin, and promote healing. It is also effective in reducing redness and swelling associated with skin inflammation, making it a valuable addition to homemade skincare remedies. Boost immune system. Thyme is rich in antioxidants and has immune-boosting properties, helping the body fight off infections and illness. Drinking thyme tea during cold and flu season can provide a natural defense against common viruses and bacteria. Digestive upsets and worms. Thyme has been traditionally used to soothe digestive discomfort, including indigestion, gas, and bloating. Its carminative properties help to reduce gas and promote healthy digestion. Additionally, thyme has been used to expel intestinal worms due to its strong antimicrobial effects. Seizures and antispasmodic. Thyme has mild antispasmodic properties, which may help reduce the frequency and severity of muscle spasms, including those associated with seizures. While not a primary treatment for seizures, thyme can be used as an adjunct therapy in some cases. Lice, scabies, and crabs. Thyme's potent antimicrobial and insecticidal properties make it an effective natural remedy for lice, scabies, and crabs. A thyme-infused oil or wash can be applied to the affected areas to kill parasites and soothe irritated skin. Warts. The antiviral properties of thyme can also be beneficial in treating warts. Applying a concentrated thyme infusion or essential oil, diluted, to warts can help reduce their size and eliminate them over time. How to harvest. Thyme can be harvested throughout the growing season, typically from late spring through early fall. The best time to harvest is in the morning after the dew has dried, but before the heat of the day sets in, as this is when the essential oils are most concentrated. Simply snip the stems with scissors or pruning shears, leaving a few inches of growth to allow the plant to regenerate. Thyme can be used fresh, but it also dries well and retains much of its flavor and medicinal properties when dried and stored properly in an airtight container away from light. Cautions. While thyme is generally considered safe for most people, there are a few precautions to keep in mind. Thyme essential oil is highly concentrated and can cause skin irritation if applied undiluted. It is important to always dilute thyme essential oil in a carrier oil before applying it to the skin. Additionally, while thyme is safe for most people when used in moderation, it should be used with caution during pregnancy, as high doses of thyme or thyme essential oil could potentially stimulate the uterus. People with known allergies to other members of the mint family should also exercise caution. Thyme, Thymus vulgaris, is a powerful herb with a rich history of medicinal use. Its versatility in treating a wide range of conditions, from respiratory issues to skin infections, makes it an invaluable addition to any herbalist's toolkit.